Microbiology MCQs for Nurses Part 2. First question. In the following, which one is the branching filamentous bacteria? In the following, which one is the branching filamentous bacteria? A. Bacilli, B. Vibrio, C. Actinomycetes, D. Cocci. Answer actinomycetes. Actinomycetes. Second one, confirmatory test for AIDS. A. ELISA, B. Western blot, C. Schick test, D. All of the above. Answer B. Western blot. Confirmatory test for AIDS. A. ELISA, B. Western blot, C. Schick test, D. All of the above. Answer is B. Western blot. Third one, example for DNA virus. Example for DNA virus. A. Poliovirus, B. Adenovirus, C. Echovirus, C. Potivirus. Answer is B. Adenovirus. Example for DNA virus. Answer B. Adenovirus. In malaria, carrier person who harbors. In malaria, carrier person who harbors dash. A. Trophocytes, merozoites, schizones, gametocyte. Answer is schizones. In malaria, carrier person who harbors schizones. That is answer C. Fifth one, which cell provide amnestic immune response? Fifth one, which cell provide amnestic immune response? A. B cell, B. Exotoxin, C. Interleukin, D. CD4 and CD8. Answer B cell. So, which cell provide amnestic immune response? Answer B cell. Sixth one, the smallest unit of antigenicity is dash. The smallest unit of antigenicity is dash. A. Epitope, B. Paratope, C. Fimbriae, D. Virulence. Answer epitope. The smallest unit of antigenicity is dash. Answer epitope. Seventh one, chocolate agar is an example of which type of media? Chocolate agar is an example of which type of media? A. Basal media, B. Complex media, C. Enriched media, D. Enrichment media. Answer is enriched media. Eighth one, standard test for syphilis. Standard test for syphilis. A. VDRL, B. ELISA, C. Regain antibody test, D. Blood test. Answer regain antibody test. Ninth one, Schick test is used for dash. Schick test is used for which disease or which disease? Schick test is a diagnostic test for which disease? A. Scarlet fever, B. TB, C. Diphtheria, D. Typhoid fever. Answer diphtheria. Shick test is used for diphtheria. Shick test is used for diphtheria.